What's up guys, I'm Steve from Cult of Mac, and earlier this year I made a video running through my top iPhone X cases. If you've not seen it yet, I'll make sure to link it in the description down below, but by far the most popular case in that lineup, and the one I get asked about the most even to this day, is the LuxArmor Classic. A $24 super sleek and minimalist case with no branding whatsoever. It's extremely light, adding essentially no weight, yet with a surprising amount of protection for such a thin and light case. Well, just a few days ago, LuxArmor launched a brand new collection of cases for the iPhone X, keeping the same great minimalist style, but with added protection. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick hands-on look at the new cases, but make sure to stick around to the end of the video, as I've got 10 of these cases to give away to you guys. So let's get started. LuxArmor's latest line of cases are the Elite Collection that come in 4 different colours, including the Onyx Black and Opal White I have here, as well as Ruby Red and Sapphire Blue. Just as with the Classic series, these cases have zero branding to keep that super minimal look. The back of the cases is where you find the biggest difference to the Classic line. With the Elite Collection, there's a single pane of ballistic grade tempered glass to help better protect the iPhone. The glass back looks great, and at a distance, it almost looks like there's no case on it. The glass on the back of the case is stronger than what you will find on the iPhone X, giving you the same high-end look without risking damaging the body of your actual iPhone. In the hand, the case feels pretty much invisible apart from the slight silicone lip that the edges of the Elite case are wrapped in, and I do mean a slight lip. There's enough there to help protect the screen in the event of a drop, but not too much where the phone becomes cumbersome to slide in and out of my pocket. I've not tried dropping my iPhone whilst in this case, but I did accidentally drop my iPhone X from just above waist height onto concrete whilst using the previous LuxArmor Classic. And despite it hitting face down, there was just a slight knock on the case. It completely protected my iPhone X. I love the way the black Onyx case looks on the space grey iPhone X. From a distance, it really does look like the phone doesn't have any case on, and even close up, the only real giveaway is the lack of the Apple logo and those shiny stainless steel edges. One thing I do prefer is the buttons to be covered, and thankfully with this case they are. There's enough protection there to keep them scratch free, but the sides are thin enough that the buttons are still nice and tactile. On the bottom there's the usual cutouts for the lightning port and speakers. At $49, it is double the price of the Classic case, but I still feel that the case is priced extremely competitively for what you're getting. It looks and feels really premium, and it's something a bit different from the norm. The LuxArmor Elite manages to maintain a similar aesthetic and add some protection. Plus, it's a hell of a lot cheaper than the cost to replace the glass backing of the iPhone X, which Apple would charge a ridiculous $549 for. The awesome guys over at LuxArmor have been kind enough to give away 10 of these stunning cases to you guys. To enter, check out the link in the description down below, where you can find full instructions and multiple entries. The giveaway is open to any country, and LuxArmor will be shipping the cases worldwide to the winners directly. The competition closes on the 16th of July at 1 PM Eastern Standard Time, and I'll make sure to upload a video to announce all the winners. If you just want to pick up one of these cases straight away though, head over to the LuxArmor store where you can enter the code COM10 at checkout to receive 10% off your order. I'll make sure to leave links in the description down below. Well, that's it for this video. Please make sure to share it, as the more views we get on videos like this, the more giveaways that we can do in the future. If you enjoyed this video though, as always, please hit that like button, it really helps me out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.